That button's completely on the wrong side, isn't it? Good morning, or should I say, good night, mates. So it's about 8 o'clock on Sunday morning, and I'm with Tice again. We are still on the Honda and the Yamaha that we rented from Cairns motorcycle hire, and we are just about to leave Marlin Marina here, working our way out of Cairns for the second part of what I'm calling the long way down under. So the sun is coming up, as you can see, and we are heading out of Cairns for a big loop through the Atherton Tablelands. Apparently this is some of the best riding roads in Queensland, including the Gillies Range. So hopefully we'll get to stop at some lookouts, see some waterfalls, and I'm planning on reaching the highest road in the state as well. Who needs sat-nav when you've got landmarks like that up in front of us? So that is Walshy's Pyramid, and it's a 922 metre high mount, so that would qualify as a Munro back in Scotland. Anyway, that should be just outside the town of Gordonvale, which is where we're going to stop because we need to get a wee caffeine injection. Okay, that sign says Gordonvale both left and right, so it's going to be easy to go left. That smells like a distillery to me. Yeah, smells good. Not a lot going on at the moment. I mean, what time are we at? Is it just too early? Is that the... Right, so we're just going to pull into this place on the corner here and grab a wee coffee and then make a plan of where we're headed to. The Caffin Cafe, apparently the only place that's open in Gordonvale on a Sunday morning. So I have to stand corrected, I've just been educated. That is actually a sugar mill that's been open since the 1890s. It's not a distillery, but it smells exactly the same. Amazing. So apparently this is quite a popular bike route, you know, through this. There you go. Yeah. Sports bikes and shorts. Woo. That's not a sign that you see every day, is it? So here we go. This is the Gillies Range. Over 260 bends in around 20 k's. An absolute roller coaster of a road that takes you over to the Atherton Tablelands. Right, now I'm a slow rider at the best of times, never mind on one of Australia's twistiest roads, with hairpin after hairpin. So I think we'll get this sped up in edit, and you can get a look at what's involved with the Gillies. Going on the left here. What the little is. that was Heel's Lookout, including a free range rooster by all accounts. So onwards to the Atherton Tablelands. Here we go. And that's us reached the Atherton Tablelands. Right, the first stop after the Gillies is going to be the Curtin Fig National Park. This is a strangler fig tree that they estimate is well over 500 years old, so quite impressive to see. So it's literally the bottom of this road, then just to the right, yeah, just over that bridge. So just along from here, there's apparently a platypus viewing platform just outside Yungburra. Right, I'm not going to lie, I'm beginning to think that the Aussies are making all this wildlife up. I've not even seen a spider yet, never mind crocodiles or platypuses. So the idea now is we're going to pull in somewhere and try and grab a quick cup of coffee. This is the town of Yungburra. Looking wee coffee shop over there that Tice has just gone into. The town kind of feels like stepping back in time. Right, that's us fueled up and we're back on the road again, and I'm going to try and find the highest road in Queensland. So in case anybody's interested, this is the National Route 1 road and we're heading towards Tumulin, I think it is, Tumulin Road, which should take us to the highest point, or the highest road in Queensland. Now I don't think you can get more touristy than that. So we're just about to pull into the town of Ravenshoe. A few bikes packed up there. Nice looking little town. Right, the plan is we're going to find somewhere to get some lunch. Hopefully there's like a cafe or a restaurant here we can find. Right, looks like Tice has decided this is where we're going. Popular Cafe Ravenshoe. So after an interesting conversation with the staff there, they were telling us they had no bread, we've both ended up with a couple of steak sandwiches, and I've got to say this is the best steak sandwich I've had in a while.
Yep. They've got some really cool big like, sort of caravan things, haven't they? And that thing is insane.
Second last thing on my list today is Milla Milla. At the bottom of this road there should be a nice waterfall.
Let's see if we can squeeze the bikes in further down there.
That was the Milla Milla waterfall. Gutted I never brought my swimming shorts, I didn't actually realise it was like a swimming hole as well. And that means there's only one place left on my list of places to visit, and that is the MaMu Skywalk. So this is a couple of k's through the rainforest with some sort of aerial skywalk. One of them just bit my arm, so whatever they are, they definitely bite. Yeah, much like the blue, you're absolutely covered in them. Who would have thought? Bugs in the rainforest. And just like that, the day's riding is nearly done. It's about 5:30 in the evening and we're on our way back up to Cairns now. If you've enjoyed watching this, please think about hitting that like button, hit subscribe. I'll be back home in Scotland next week and I'm planning to hit up some of the Western Isles, so if you're interested in seeing that then make sure to check back. But for now, ride safe, stay upright, and I'll catch you all on the next one.